Hello and welcome to DreamLadder Capital's Market View for September 27th, 2024. Here we break down the key events driving market movements across the globe. U.S. stocks closed higher on Thursday, with the S&P 500 hitting another record high close for the third time this week. The broad market index advanced 0.4% to close at 5,745. The NASDAQ Composite gained 0.6% to reach 18,190, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 0.62% to finish the session at 42,175. A slew of positive economic data fueled optimism in the markets. Weekly jobless claims fell to 218,000, beating expectations of 223,000, signaling a steady labor market. Durable goods orders for August were unchanged, defying expectations for a decline. Additionally, the final reading of second quarter GDP held strong at 3%, compared to the expected 2.9%. These data points eased concerns that the Federal Reserve was aggressively cutting rates due to a potential economic slowdown, painting a more optimistic picture of the U.S. economy. In Asia, markets extended their rally into Friday, with stocks in Japan, South Korea, and Australia climbing higher. This momentum came after China's pledge to stabilize its real estate market and the strong economic data from the U.S. Meanwhile, the November contract for Brent crude traded 0.73% lower at $71 a barrel, posting its lowest settlement in 2 weeks. Saudi Arabia signaled a readiness to abandon its $100 a barrel price target, with plans to increase production to regain market share. Additionally, Hurricane Helene failed to disrupt U.S. energy output, as it's expected to miss key oil and gas production areas in the Gulf of Mexico. The BSE Sensex closed at a record 85,836, up 0.78%, while the NSE Nifty 50 ended the day at 26,216, rising 0.81%. This marks the 7th consecutive session of higher highs, with market volatility dropping to a 2-month low. Sectorally, we saw several new all-time highs today. Nifty Bank and Nifty Auto have reached new peaks. Nifty Metal extended its winning streak for the 5th straight day. Nifty Pharma, however, saw a decline after a 4-day uptrend. Meanwhile, both the Nifty Midcap and Nifty Smallcap indices faced pressure, extending their losses for the 2nd and 3rd days, respectively. Foreign portfolio investors turned net buyers of Indian equities on Thursday after 2 sessions of selling, mopping up stocks worth 630 crore. Domestic institutional investors continued their bullish stance for the 4th straight session, purchasing equities worth 2,405 crore. In other key updates, Bharat Electronics and Trent have joined the Nifty 50 index today, replacing Divi's Laboratories and LTIMindtree as part of the semi-annual review of broad market indices. With the inclusion of Trent and Bharat Electronics, we expect passive inflows of 702 million and 430 million, respectively. On the other hand, the exclusion of Divi's Lab and LTIMindtree could result in outflows of 289 million and 235 million. In the Bank Nifty Index, Canara Bank have made its debut, replacing Bandhan Bank during the rejig. Punjab National Bank has closed its QIP with an issue price of 103.75 per share, a discount of 5% to the floor price. KEC International has raised 870 crore via QIP and issued 91.1 lakh shares at 955 per share. Lastly, the Gift Nifty is trading flat as compared to its previous close of almost 26,350. Looking ahead, October could bring further positivity for the Nifty 50, which has historically ended the month on a positive note in 8 of the last 10 years. Thank you, and stay tuned for daily updates as we keep a close watch on these developments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn for the latest insights and analysis.